26 Harrow Street is your quintessential Southside home. From the picket fence to the weatherboard exterior, this home has a lot to offer. Let's go inside and take a quick look around. This home really is an entertainer's dream, and this oversized deck is one of my favourite features.
What's also great about the entertaining space is that it's right next to this huge kitchen and open plan living area. If we can help you own this massive 3-bed, 2-bath home with a shed, get in touch with our team. We would love to help you out.